Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Krista Marie if you're new here. And for today's video, we are going to be doing a fun makeup hack. I love makeup hacks, y'all. There is a makeup hack that is trending right now. It's by Scott Barnes.
And I use the lip balm underneath the eyes. And this makes your concealer stay 10 times longer. It doesn't get all creased up and crazy, believe it or not, and it doesn't break down the makeup.
And he's pretty much using Aquaphor to put underneath the eye or even around the face to prevent creasing. So today we're going to put it to the test. I'm going to do an 8-hour wear test to see how long it actually lasts and also see if it's going to crease. So before anything, I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to be using the Chic Glam Good Grip Primer. I love this primer. It's very hydrating. It grips the product onto the face so nicely. Now I'm going to take the Aquaphor and I'm going to place it under my eye. This Aquaphor should be more of like a primer under the eye. So it shouldn't slide off at all whatsoever. I'm going to apply the foundation on my face. I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. This is my holy grail foundation. I absolutely love this foundation so much. I'm just placing the foundation around my under eyes. Since we did use the balm under the eye, we're going to use concealer. You don't want to have a lot of product under the eye. Okay, so now it's time to apply concealer. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty We're Even Concealer shade 400N. I absolutely love this concealer. I'm not going to color correct today. I'm just going to use the concealer because I really want to see if this is really going to crease. Now we're going to blend out the concealer and y'all are going to see why I love this concealer so freaking much. Look at that. The coverage is insane. It is more of a medium coverage, but she is giving full honey. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 setting powders to set my face. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me, their pressed powder. I've been loving this a lot. And then I'm also going to be using the Derma Blend and then the HD Makeup Forever setting powder. These two together, super good. They're going to prolong the wear of the makeup under the eye, just make it long lasting, crease proof. So I'm going to set with the pressed powder first under the eye. And you want to make sure that you are pressing that powder under the eye and also taking it towards the bottom where the concealer is ending. We're going to bring this makeup back to life with some bronzer anyway, so do not worry about how light it is right here. We're going to fix it. And do the other side as well. Although this is a hack that's for longevity, I still want my makeup to last me all freaking day long, girl. Oh, I look like a ghost, but that's okay, y'all. Now I'm going to take my setting powder concoction and I'm going to set underneath my eyes. You see me looking over is because I'm looking into a mirror. Now I'm going to finish up this makeup look and I'll be back to start the wear test. Okay guys, it's time to start the wear test. It's currently 1:22 and this is what the makeup is looking like, honey. Let me go ahead and look up. I'll be back in a few hours to check in. Are you guys checking in? It is currently 3:24 in the evening or in the afternoon. And this is what my under eye is looking like. I'll be back with my next check-in. Okay, you guys, it's currently 9:31 at night. And I've been wearing my makeup for 8 hours. So my under eye has been going long and strong, girl, for 8 hours. Let's see what it looks like after 8 hours. My under eye has slightly creased, especially more on this side than this side. I feel like if you have fine lines under your eyes at all whatsoever, this particular hack is not going to work for you. It doesn't really have a gripping effect. I feel like a good gripping primer for your under eye by Milk Makeup, actually there's one by Milk Makeup that's really, really good. That one I would totally recommend because I've worn that and that one works so amazingly. Now, would I have normally worn my makeup for 8 hours? No. Maybe about 4 or 5. So I would say try this hack if you want to try it. But just know if you do have fine lines under your eyes, this hack is a no-go for you. And also I have oily skin, so it just really is a no-go for me. If you made it to the end of the video and you enjoyed this video, girl, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video.